Okay, let's try that again. There was a little bit of an error on the last one. Sorry about that. Once again, we're going to be talking about multiplying double-digit by single-digit numbers, the little tricks that you could use. And remember what I said, these more comfortable you are with your times tables, the easier it's going to be to do it, because you're not going to be stopping and thinking, what was 7 times 9 again? I forgot, and then you forget the steps. So by getting those down comfortably, the steps will be easier. But we're going to go through the steps again. Here's a sample of one right here that I wrote. Now watch what I'm going to do. I'm going to break this in half into columns. Remember, place value. Here's my ones column. Here's my tens column. The reason why I'm doing that is because of the two D's. D's. Okay, spells Todd, by the way. That's the way to remember it. The first D, which I'm going to use on the right, because remember, when we add, subtract, or multiply in this case, we always start on the right, the ones digit. Going to go down. Going to multiply straight down. The other one is diagonal. Going to multiply diagonally. Let me show you what we mean. First, the ones column you start with. You got 6 times 3. You're going to multiply straight down. Okay, that's 18. I'm going to put the 8 down here. Why the 8? Because it's the ones digit, so it goes there. The 1 in 18 is not really a 1. It's a 10. It's 110. So that's going to go in the tens column right here. Okay? So now I've got 1 plus 4. Notice I put the little plus sign there to remind me to add the numbers. Okay? Or to add it to the value here. I'll show you that in a minute. That was where my mistake was last time. Sorry. Anyway, so 18, remember the 1 goes in the tens place. Now I'm going to multiply the 4 and the 3 diagonally. 4 times 3, of course, is 12, plus the 1 is 13. Bring down the 3 where? Tens place, on the other side of the line. Where does that 1 go? Doesn't go up here because there's nothing to carry it to. So I got to bring it down with the 3, and when I erase the line, my answer is 138. 138. Okay? That's the answer. Once again, 6 times 3 is 18. Carry the 1. 4 times 3 is 12. Plus the 1 is 13. 138. Okay? Remember, down, diagonal. And don't forget the carrying part, which I'll get to in a minute again. Let's try this example. I'm not going to put the columns down, but I'm going to do the same steps. Going down on the ones column, 2 times 4 is 8. And what do you know? No carrying because 8's a single-digit number, so we lucked out. Now I'm going to multiply diagonally here. 6 times 4. Remember, 6 times 4 is 24. Going to bring down the 4. Can't carry the 2, nothing to put it on top of. Bring the 2 down with it. And I've got 248. 248. Remember the rules again, the steps. Going down with the ones column. Carry if you need to with the little plus sign. You're going to multiply this times this. Tens digit times the ones digit down here. Add the number you carried if there is one. Here there was, here there wasn't. And then you multiply accordingly. Bring it down, and you're good to go. All right? Remember, down, diagonal. Tens, ones. Todd, T-O, tens, ones, down diagonal, D-D. Okay? So I hope that helps you. Please feel free to replay this video as many times as you need to, and I'll talk to you later.